Redmi Note 6 Pro is successor to Redmi Note 5 Pro. Earlier Xiaomi launched Redmi Note 5 Pro after more than a year of Redmi Note 4, but now Xiaomi has launched Note 6 Pro just after 9 months of launching the Redmi Note 5 Pro in the same year. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it. First thing that you get in the box is the phone itself. Then there is a case which looks cheap, but yes, that's an added accessory. Apart from that, you get a charger, a data syncing cable, a SIM ejector tool, and that's all what you get in the box. This phone is running on same processor as its predecessor, but the Xiaomi says they have tweaked the processor to get better performance, and we will use the device extensively to check that. Display on the device looks good and looks an improvement from old Redmi devices, and the sunlight legibility is good. This time device has a coating to survive in little splashes of water, and that's a good thing to see in a budget phone. Camera hump is not too big this time, so it will not get a lot of hate as Mi A2 did. You can use two SIM cards and both supports 4G at a time, and this device still has a micro USB port at the bottom, which is a little disappointing to see in 2018. Well, this is how the phone looks using the cover, and definitely if you want a cover for the phone, you need to buy a different one since this will not last for long. Fingerprint sensor on the phone is located on the back and unlocks the phone almost every time you place your finger on it. It's not super fast, but it's fast enough for the price. This phone also supports face unlock feature, but I will make a separate video on that, how it performs in different situations. Talking about the camera interface, it is similar to all the MIUI phones. It has 12 plus 5 megapixel camera at the back and 20 plus 2 megapixel sensor at the front. You get AI mode, portrait mode, auto HDR mode, and few more effects which we will test in our full camera review. Out of the box, phone runs on MIUI 9 and you get an update for MIUI 10 as soon as you connect it to the internet. Talking about the storage, you get about 48.5 GB free on the first boot. I have added few camera samples to get an idea about the camera, and so far the camera looks good and definitely improved than Redmi Note 5 Pro. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more about this device. Thanks for watching.